Today we're chatting about something that actually a lot of you have asked me about, and it's how to find trending sounds on Reels or TikTok. This is something that I've mentioned in a lot of my past videos when it comes to creating short form video, and a lot of you have followed up and asked me, Stephanie, how in the world are you even finding what is trending on TikTok or on Reels so you're able to jump on those trends? Well, in this video, that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. The first way to find trending reels or sounds that you can use on TikTok or on Reels is actually within TikTok. So TikTok is really where a lot of these trends start. In my experience in using both of the apps and noticing where certain things are coming from, a lot of trending sounds or trends that we see really start with TikTok. And so some trends you can't really translate from TikTok over to Reels, but that's how a lot of these trends are coming, where they're coming from when it comes to Reels, they're coming from TikTok. And TikTok can be a really great place to start when it comes to this. So there's actually a section within TikTok called the Discover Page. And this section of TikTok actually has what sounds are trending, what trends are happening, and it really just gives you the kind of content that you can actually create without having to come up with the ideas yourself, which is incredible. And you can use those ideas for TikTok or for Reels. I don't think just because you find them within TikTok, you only have to use them in TikTok. Because TikTok and Reels is so stinking similar, you can literally use an idea that would work on TikTok and also use it on Reels 99% of the time. So I've got TikTok pulled up on my phone so I can show you exactly where this Discover Page is and how to use it and all of that fun stuff. So when you have TikTok pulled up, it's gonna automatically go to your For You page like this right here. If you look at the bottom, the second icon to the right is the Discover with a little search icon. If you hit that, you're gonna be able to see the trends and sounds that are trending. And literally when you tap on it, the first thing it's showing you is trends. And these are hashtags that are a part of trends that are happening within TikTok. So for example, if we scroll down here, we'll see there's one trend in competitive gaming, AirPods jump, please don't go, her story, anime eyes, crowd cheers, home cafe. These are all trends that are happening. And if we tap on one of these hashtags, you'll be able to see people who are using this trend and how they're using it. And if you tap on some different videos, you'll probably get a good idea of how people are using this trend, how you might be able to apply it to your own business. So on this main page of the Discover Page, we can also look up at the very, very top. It says that you're automatically on trends right here, but then if you also tap over to sounds, so in these trending sounds, you are able to see what sounds are trending on TikTok, which is helpful for doing trends like when you're lip syncing or jumping on some sort of trend like that. But these are also helpful because you can see like what music is trending. If you want to put like background music to your reel or your TikTok or something along those lines. This specific area when it comes to sounds is also, I think, more specific to TikTok because there is a section within Reels right now, if you don't have music banned from your account yet, where you can see the music that's trending within Reels, which I'll show you here in a second. So when we go to create a reel, if you tap on the music section, you're able to see all of the different music that is recommended to you by Reels. And if we tap on see more, you're able to see all the different music options that TikTok or that Reels is recommending to you. And typically if they are recommending certain music right here, these are the kind of music that is trending, that Reels really likes it when you use it, all of that stuff. I will say though that I know a lot of you have accounts that you don't have this music option anymore because it is a business account. You could also try switching to a creator account to get this option. Eventually, it'll probably be really similar to YouTube where you can't use popular music and you have to use music from the Reels music library or something along those lines in order to have music in your Reels. But for now, a lot of us are still able to do this, and that's where you can find it on Reels. Another thing I want to mention too when it comes to bringing trends from TikTok over into Reels is that sometimes it can be really, really good to be one of the first ones to jump on a trend or bring it over to Reels. Whether it's, just making it more unique compared to a lot of the reels that are already being pushed out there, or even being the first one to upload that sound so then a lot of other people could use your sound for your reel and get a lot of reach that way. So I think, being proactive and seeing what trends are happening on TikTok and bringing it over to Reels before it becomes like super, super big on Reels can be a really cool way to almost hack into that and to also make your videos a little bit more unique and not just the same sounds that everybody's using on Reels. The second biggest way that I personally do, and I think is really effective to find trending sounds or trends on Instagram Reels or TikTok, is literally just to scroll your feed. Within TikTok, it's whether, you can use TikTok on your For You page or on the people that you follow on TikTok, or you can head over to the Reels section of Instagram and scroll strictly through Reels and see what are the things that are trending. What are the common videos that you're seeing? What are the common sounds that are being used? What are some new lip syncing sounds that are being used that you're seeing pop up in your feed? And anytime you have an idea, you can hit save. On TikTok, you can hit the little arrow and then add it to your favorites and be able to go back to it later. On Reels, you can hit save and add it to either just your save section of your Instagram or even to a specific folder that you want to save that reel into. I have a folder I titled Reels Ideas that makes it really easy for me to save a reel over into my save section. So when I'm going back and creating reels later, I know and I have a ton of different ideas right at my fingertips that I can pull from to create these reels. And so just scrolling your feed and just seeing what are the people that you're following doing, what are some people on your For You page doing, what are some people in your little reels tab on Instagram doing, seeing what is working, what are people using, what's going viral, what's working well for other people can be a really cool way to create or to know what's trending and what's working. And I want to throw in here, because when I say that, it might sound like, oh, Stephanie, are you saying I just need to copy other people? Like, aren't we supposed to be creative and coming up with our own ideas? And honestly, that's kind of the caveat. Is that the right word? It's kind of one of the nuances of using short form video like Reels or TikTok, is that you don't have to come up with completely unique ideas all the time. In fact, sometimes jumping on these trends, jumping on these trending sounds can be just as effective as coming up with original content, sometimes more effective than original content. And so I think if you are able to create it based off of a trend and put your own spin on it, don't obviously be a copycat. Don't copy like word for word, text for text, even the location or what you're wearing of someone's exact reel, right? Put your own spin on it. Make it your own. Make it make sense for your brand. But it is just a really cool way to jump into and to insert yourself into what's happening in short form video and the trends that come along with that. And I don't think that by using trending sounds or that by emulating what other people are doing with a certain trend is copying. In fact, it's a part of how short form video works and why people are so connected to it. So we already mentioned scrolling your feed and using that to help you know what trends are working. Also, I want you guys to pay attention to the accounts that you follow, specifically on Instagram Reels. And when you're scrolling just your main home page, you're gonna see Reels mixed in with those normal photo posts, right? And so you can really hone in on, what are the people that you're following doing? What are the things that attract your attention? What are the trends that they are doing? That can be a really cool way to see what's working well or what trends are happening. You don't even just have to scroll the Reels section of Instagram or the For You page of TikTok, but you can look at what are the people that you like following and what are they doing? What are some trends they're jumping on? How are they using it for their niche? For me personally, there are a few different accounts I like following. I just wanted to shout out here. One account that I love following is at Shine with Natasha. She does a really good job not only educating about Instagram as a whole and how to use it to gain more clients if you're a service-based business, but she educates a lot on Instagram Reels and she has a lot of great examples of different trends that are happening. And I love following her just for extra tips and tricks on Reels, what she's seeing work really well. And you can follow her for extra advice on that. And also, she creates a lot of Reels with a lot of these trending sounds that you can kind of see what's happening and maybe you can put your own spin on it. Another account I absolutely love to follow, more specifically for the TikTok side of things, is Jara Bean. She is the coolest person ever. I love following her both on TikTok and Instagram, but more specifically on TikTok. What she does with a lot of her TikToks is she either takes you behind the scenes of creating things or she shows you exactly how to do certain trends. That's how I learned how to do some of the trends and some of the transitions and stuff like that I know how to do, is learning it from her TikToks. She does a really great job of breaking this down and sharing about this, and she's such a great leader in the social media world and when it comes to TikTok and short form videos. So if you're looking for inspiration on different trends and stuff like that, follow her because she does a really great job with this, and not only you jumping a lot of these trends and sharing them with you, but also showing you how to do them. So just follow her. You'll know exactly what I mean if you use TikTok and you follow her and you watch her videos. She's super, super awesome. And then one more account that I also wanted to share is Natasha Coyle. If you're a photographer, because I know a lot of you that follow me are photographers, you need to check her out because she is also a leader in the sense of short form video and educating on that. She does a really great job using a lot of the trends that are happening on TikTok and on Reels and using it for photographers, more specifically wedding photographers. So if you're a photographer, check her out too because she's awesome and is a sweet friend of mine and is just so awesome to follow along for that kind of stuff. And of course, also you can always follow my account because I post a lot of Reels pretty consistently. I focus more on the real side of things instead of TikTok. For TikTok, I use it more for my dog's brand and growing her account, but for myself and my business, I use mainly Reels because that's where I've seen a lot more traction, a lot more of where my people are at. But I do jump on a lot of trends. So if you want more ideas for what trends are happening as they are happening, feel free to follow along at my account so you can get lots of ideas. Again, if you use one of the sounds that I have uploaded and put your own spin on a certain trend that I also did, I'm not going to be mad about it. That is part of how short form video works, and I encourage you to do that. You are more than welcome to go to my account and look at some of the sounds that I am using and to use them for yourself as well and to help you get ideas for what kind of trends you can jump on. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. If you have any questions about anything else about short form video, like when it comes to Reels or TikTok, drop a comment down below and I'd be more than happy to answer your questions or to create a video in the future. This video is actually inspired by your comments and your questions that you had for me about finding trending sounds and all of that. So I really do listen to what you guys comment. I really want these videos to be super helpful for you. So make sure you comment with any questions that you have. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and like this video. Both of those things, I know I mentioned it in like all of my videos, but both of those things truly do help my channel so much in getting these videos out to more and more people and for YouTube to recommend my videos and to be found in search and all of those things. So I seriously am so grateful when you do both of those things. So thankful. And I will see you guys in next week's video on Tuesday at noon Eastern Standard Time. And can't wait to see you then. Bye guys. You are being adorable, but I'm trying to film a video at me. You come say hi? Come here. Ember wants to say hello. Oh, yeah. Okay, you're backwards, Emmy. You're backwards. She's like, but I can see you, Mom. I see Mommy's face. Can we turn around? Look over there. Look. Yeah. Good girl. You are so precious. She hates it. Every time I'm filming or taking pictures, she wants to be in the action. Like, she hates it if I'm not including her.